Amy's Kitchenware, based in Wisconsin, manufactures a line of safe cooking glassware. To create her cookware, Amy imports hazardous materials from Japan. Due to an unexpected oven repair, manufacturing has to be temporarily halted. Realizing that a shipment of the raw material is already on the way, Amy knows they don't have enough inventory space to accept and store all the materials she ordered. Amy is faced with several options to store her materials. Option 1. Rail storage. Rail storage means leaving the container at the rail yard until Amy is able to accept the delivery to her facility warehouse. Option 2. Yard storage. Yard storage means pulling the container from the rail yard to a privately owned yard/storage facility. Option 3. Transloading. To transload means pulling the container from the rail yard to a private facility while also moving the goods inside from the SSL's container to a privately owned container. If storage is only needed for 4 days or less, rail storage is the least expensive option. If storage is needed for 5 to 6 days, yard storage is the most cost-effective option. When goods need to be stored for 7 days or more, transloading is the ideal option. Knowing that the part to fix her oven will take 2 weeks to arrive, Amy's best solution will be to transload the materials. If you operate a business like Amy and are in the Chicago/Kansas City areas, contact Whimsy Intermodal for your logistics solutions. Follow the link in the description to view the full case study infographic.